second grade, and welcome to Skills. Today, our learning target is I can tell the difference between long and short A sounds. Did you know that vowels like A have two sounds that they can make in words? One is the long sound where it sounds like its name, A, and the other is the short sound where it sounds like ah, ah. So we're going to look at some words, listen for that sound, and sort them by long A sound or short A sound. So our first one is apple, apple, short A. I hear that sound. Next, cake, cake, ooh, a. Right there, I hear the long A. It sounds like its name. What about rain? A. Right away, I am hearing that A sound. So that is a long A because it sounds like its name. Cat. Ooh, I hear the short sound. What about day? A. Right away, I hear D and then A. I hear it saying its name. Fan. I hear the short A. So, when you are reading words, you can see and read them because you know whether they say the long A sound and say their name or the short A sound, ah. This will help you when you are reading and writing words.